Welcome to Maths Line. Let's look at this word problem together. And the question says, Tom is twice as old as Sam. In 10 years, the sum of their ages will be 50. How old is Sam? Now, first and foremost, what we need to know here is that we need to understand these questions before we know how to bring out the elements. So first, it said Tom is twice as old as Sam. Let's come out with the solution here. We said Tom is twice as old as Sam. So let us represent Tom as T. When we say Tom is twice as old as Sam, it means that T is equals to, which is Tom, and let's use S to represent Sam, which means that we have 2 times X, because it said it's twice as old as Sam, which means that this is equals to 2x. Now, it said, the question further says, in 10 years, the sum of their ages, which means that it's still forward. That means that we have to add 10 years because we've not gotten to that 10 years. So, it said in 10 years, the sum of their ages will be 50. So, which automatically means that Tom will now be equals to 2x plus 10. Now, what about Sam? We cannot say Sam, which is x, we cannot say this is x plus 10. If we have this, that means we are halfway done. And he said the sum of their ages will be 50. So, which means that we have to add Tom to Sam. And if we add Tom to Sam, it will give us 50, which means that we have 2x plus 10 plus x plus 10 is equals to 50. So if we have this, we are done. So let us collect like tens. 2x plus x will give us 3x. 10 plus 10 will give us 10, that's 20. Is equals to 50. So for us to do this, to look for the value of x, which is Sam, we can now say 3x is equals to, when this plus 20 crosses the sign of equals to give us a minus, we can now say this is 50 minus 20, and that will give us 30. So which means that Sam will be equals to 30 divided by 3, because we are dividing by the coefficient, that will give us 10. So which means here that Sam's age is equals to 10. Now, don't forget that if Sam's age is 10, because you say how old is Sam, that means that Sam is 10 years old. Now, how old is Tom? For us to look for Tom, don't forget, it said Tom is twice as old as Sam, and we have Tom as 2x, which means that Tom is equals to 2x. And what is x here? Is Sam. So if we substitute 10 for this, that means that Tom's age will be 2 times 10, which means that Tom will be 20 years. Because why? He's twice as old as Sam. And I hope you've learned something today on word problem. I'll see you in my next class. Thank you.